Hi guys, my name is Chris. This evening we are going to do a review on the Honex Mouthpiece. It's an anti-snoring device. This is not a paid promotion video, not a paid review. This is just me giving my honest opinion. In this video we're going to go over some pros, some cons. I've been using this mouthpiece now for about 2 weeks solid. So I snore. I snore really aggressively. My wife says that when she'll wake up in the middle of the night hearing me gasping for air and choking, and she'll have to like shake me awake so I can breathe. And then she'll lose sleep because she's worried that I'm suffocating in my sleep. So she's been trying to push me to go see a doctor and get a diagnosis for sleep apnea, but I'm a really big procrastinator when it comes to going to the doctor. If my limbs are still intact and I'm not bleeding out, I don't really go to the doctor. So I was scrolling on Facebook and I come across the Honex mouthpiece. Ironically, it was after my wife had a discussion about me taking care of my health. I have a bad habit of kind of putting my health to the side and just keep trucking. I'm a business owner, independent contractor. I work 7 days a week, basically sun up to sundown. I haven't had a day off in over 2 months. I'm exhausted at the end of the day, and when I go to sleep, I crash out. But the problem is when I wake up, I have a headache. My neck muscles felt sore. I thought maybe I needed to go see a chiropractor or need to do some physical therapy. I've been down to the gym to do some exercises, and it brought relief, but very temporarily. It's like the next day I would wake up and I feel like I drank a 12-pack the night before. And I quit drinking. I quit drinking liquor the beginning of 2025, and I think I've maybe had 5 beers total in 2025. I made a vow to myself to really slow down on the drinking. So anyway, long story short, I know what a hangover feels like. And I would wake up every single morning feeling extremely hungover. Like I said, my neck muscles would hurt, my throat would be dry, the back of my mouth would be dry. I just woke up very uncomfortable and in pain, really. So after my wife pushing me for every bit of a year, I decided to take my snoring and gasping for air in the middle of my sleep seriously. So I came across the Honex mouthpiece. I did some research on it, and it's been very hard to find some real, honest reviews. I think that a lot of the reviews online are probably AI or paid reviews, paid promotion reviews. I still snore with this in, but I do not choke or gasp for air. I do not suffocate, and I do not wake up feeling like I drank a half a bottle of liquor before I went to bed. So all in all, this little thing, it's worth it. I got 3 of them. This one right here is called the Spring Edition. When I first was looking at them, I figured that maybe the Spring Edition meant that it had a spring in there or something. But the only difference between the Spring Edition and the basic regular edition is the color. Same material, same size, same shape, just the color is different. So when I got mine, I want to say I had a discount deal. You buy one and you get one 15% off or something like that. I don't remember. I got 2 of them for under 50 bucks. And I was doing some research on the design itself. There's actually a lot of different designs of these. Some of them have like different adjustments you can make. Some of them you have to boil and bite down to get it to fit your teeth just right. This one's really simple. You just simply pop it in your mouth and you go to sleep. And it does push your jaw out. Your bottom jaw does get pushed out. They have their videos on their website and on YouTube that shows the science behind the design, and it works. A lot of reviews, or not necessarily on this product, but these types of products, is that you'll wake up in the morning with a sore jaw and your teeth will hurt. That is true. I have not woke up with a sore jaw at all, but every single morning that I wake up, I do have some teeth discomfort. And that's probably because my jaw wants to naturally sink in and go back, which is, from my understanding, what creates that snoring noise, is the back of your jaw is closing in and your tongue follows and it closes that airway. So this little mouthpiece is designed to push your bottom jaw forward. The first couple nights, it was a little uncomfortable. It did take about a week to get used to it. Now I go to, I go to bed, I put it in, and it feels just fine. The only side effect is that when I wake up in the morning and for the first couple hours of the day, my front teeth, they are sensitive. Does it cause misalignment or damage? I don't know. I've only been using it for 2 weeks, but it works and it helps. And like I said, I got these 2 for under 50 bucks, and this one was 30 something, under 40 bucks. So I got 3 of them. They say that they last from 3 to 4 months. I don't know if that'll be the case. I can already tell that the material has weakened a little bit. So we'll see. But I got 3 of them. So even if it only lasts 2 months, I still got 2 more. And they are so inexpensive. Very, very affordable. And it's worth it to me. To wake up to have a little bit of teeth discomfort is way better to waking up with a splitting headache and feeling foggy and to feel like I didn't sleep all night. There'd be some nights where I'll take like 5 milligrams of melatonin because I'm so tired and I need to get some good sleep. And I'd wake up in the morning and I'd still feel so tired and exhausted. And I slept 10 hours. So it's, I think it's the lack of oxygen because your airway is closing in the back of your throat. So you're basically suffocating in your sleep. So the pros are, it works. It doesn't stop snoring, at least for me. My wife says I still snore. Thankfully, my snoring doesn't bother my wife. She says it's like a white noise machine. It actually helps her sleep. And they're really easy to clean. Takes less than 2 minutes to clean. The cons, I don't think it'll last very long, and it does make your teeth a little uncomfortable. But it works, and it's well worth it. I don't have health insurance. I can't go see a doctor to get diagnosed for sleep apnea. I cannot afford a CPAP machine. I've tried the nose strip thingies. Those don't do anything but leave marks on my nose. So I would definitely recommend giving the Honex a try, especially if you wake up and you're tired, you have a headache, your neck muscles are really sore. Give it a try. See how it does. It's worth it. And they say that you have, I think, a 6-month money-back guarantee. Give it a try.